Okay, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So, I have been using a lot of keyboard switches throughout the 2 years that I am into custom mechanical keyboards, and one of the brand that being the most popular is Gateron, and today I am gonna talk about Gateron Smoothie, which the name suggests it should be smooth like smoothies. Okay, and in this video we are going to break down the specs, talk about a little bit about this switch. Okay, so let's go. So first let's talk about the specs. So this is, as the name suggests, because it's smooth like smoothie, so it's gonna be a linear switches which has the actuation force of 45 grams and bottom out force is 55 grams. Make it real light for typing, and the travel distance is 4 millimeters. Here 4 millimeters. Now let's talk about the materials. The whole switches from the bottom housing, the top housing, and the stem are all constructed of POM, or polyoxymethylene, so it is known to has a low friction, and from there you will have a smoother feel. And as you can see right here, there are some lubed on the stem as well as in the bottom housing, so they come factory lubed. And after a while I'm using, I have to say the factory lubed is really good. On this guy is really good. So now let's talk about the sound. Is it any good? Is it smooth and buttery as the name suggests? So here is the keyboard. Its name is Ateart X21, and I have installed the Gateron Smoothie on it already. So let's have a check. Well, as you can see, very consistent, very creamy in my opinion. And this switch is completely stock, so I am impressed that Gateron made a really good stock switches like this, and especially with the price with only 23 cents where I bought, and which means it's a really cheap price, very budget switches. So is it worth it to buy this guy in 2025? I have to say yes, completely worth it. And so thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and a subscribe for more keyboard content like this, and let me know in the content what switch should I check next time. So stay tuned for the sound test.